In the meadow where the shadows dance, whispered secrets held in every glance, the echoes of love, they softly sway. In the meadow where dreams find their way, beneath the moon's gentle.
Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Yesterday I received a design team package from Country Craft Creations and I'm so excited to share it with you. Stay tuned. Let's take a peek at this collection that I received in my design team package from Country Craft Creations. This is Simple Vintage, Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Linen Market. I'm so excited that I received this one. Beautiful summer images and papers. You're going to love this. So if you haven't ordered it yet, get over to countrycraftcreations.com, place your order. This is the 12 by 12 collection. I'll show you the ephemera things that I received and the ribbon here in just a bit. There are some other elements that you might want to add to it. This is what I will be using on my next project. Anyway, I'm going to go through all the papers with you. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get started. I am going to make an album. I'm going to share real quick. I've already made the base, so I will be using, of course, the craft cardstock from Artisan from Country Craft Creations. So I've already designed my page elements here. So you can see all this, and I will have, of course, a tutorial on this, show you how to make this, and then I will add all this beautiful pattern paper to it. I don't think I'll be able to get to it this coming week because I have a lot going on and I will be out of town next weekend, but then the following week I hope to really get on it. So that should give you time to decide if you want to get this collection so that you can follow along with me. So it is the 12 by 12 Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Linen Market. I have the sticker sheet and I think I have two of each pattern paper. So that's what I'm going to be working with. And I have the layered chipboard and the layered bits. And then this ribbon from Country Craft Creations. So I'll put the link to everything down below so you can go do your order and let's take a peek at all this. So this one here is the cardstock stickers. Love all these images with the flowers and the lemons and the little, it looks like little tags, the bee, happy, easy breezy, sunny days, beautiful summer collection, watering can with flowers. Love this red truck. The borders down here and the words. This is perfect. So this is going to be a lot of fun in that album. And then the paper. So this is called Blue Skies Ahead. And I'm going to show you, like I said, I got two of each sheet. So I have the front and the back. Isn't that gorgeous with that partial layering of the bicycle and the gingham? And then, of course, this on the back. So if you were wanting to do a 12 by 12 spread, this would be perfect like that. So you could do that. So I'm going to be using that in the album. So there's that one. The next one I got is the 2 by 2, 4 by 4 elements. So I love these because these are smaller. You can cut them or you can leave them as four together, depending if you want to do that. So they're 4 by 4s or 2 by 2s. Endless Sunshine, seed packets here, the labels off of wood crates. So cute. So here's the back side, which is this fabulous red and white floral piece. The 4 by 6 elements. These are great to tuck in your pockets. So what's great, you're going to want two of these at least because you want these elements, but then you're going to want the paper on the back side. So let me show you this one, this print here. Paper's kind of stuck together. There we go. Beautiful blues and reds. Here are the journal elements. I love how these have the lines on them for your journaling, different sizes. There's that truck again, that butterfly with the flowers. Look at the bee down here. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then we have like this, a bandana denim print here. So that's perfect with that. The 3x4 elements, another fun size. Love all of these. These are great in pockets or to make tags with. And then look at the back side. Lemons. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that yellow color. That is so pretty. And then you always want to get the tag elements. So I did get 2 of these, which is a good idea to have because you might want to be able to tuck all these tags in your book, and you like the front and the back. So there's what it looks like on the one side, and then the back side of it. Look at that lemonade in that. That's yummy. Okay, so here's our red bandana. This is called Celebrate the Good Times. The back side of that is this journal page looking piece with the like a shopping list there, and the different pieces of the paper all layered up already for you. That's very pretty. This one is Walking on Sunshine. Love that yellow. And then on the back side, we have this beautiful red and white dots. Because this got the yellow dots back here, the yellow and white dots. Sweet and Simple, which is like a quilting looking page with your stitching look here, and you've got like a label, a form here in the center, and all the different prints. And then the back side is this really pretty blue floral piece. Looks like you could make a quilt out of this. Here we have Life is Sweet, which is a nice cream color with the very faint wording in there. Can you see it in there? And then these border pieces here and the bucket with flowers and a bee. And the back side is this really pretty yellow with the white dots. From the Heart, beautiful blue gingham. Have a large floral piece here, very pretty. We got some wording in here, so different layering. And then this, the back side looks just like wallpaper that I remember my grandmother and mother having in their house. Very pretty, the blue with the white dots back there. And then you're going to want these checks and solids. This is called Cherry Pie, and I got one of each. So this is the gingham side, and then the other side is the red with the very faint imagery lettering back there behind it. Like I can see it saying, always the lowest, 6th Avenue, just kind of like a newsprint advertising. And then this one is the blue check, faded denim, Cherry Pie faded denim. So there's the blue, beautiful. Lemonade Stand has the yellow. Salt Water Taffy. It's kind of a pale pink, pinkish flesh colored. There it is, or maybe even peachy. I'd say more of a pink tone though. Beige tone. Sandcastle. Summer Sky. Beautiful blue color there. Okay, then we're going to take a quick look at the elements that I'll be working with. This is the ribbon. Looks like I probably got a yard of this red and white ribbon. So that would make a good closure on that album if I want to use that on there or somewhere else in the album for decorating. I already opened these so I didn't have the glare. So this is the layered bits. I love Simple Stories layered bits because there's always, it's like several pieces put together, but it's just really one piece. So we have sweet peas. That's a ticket. And there we have that. It looks like it's Shoe Fair stores, and we've got a little clip looking there. There's another one like that. This one with the butterfly, rose apples, royal. That's pretty. 50 cents. There's a bingo card and a calendar and the bikers. That's roosters on those bicycles, on those unicycles. That's funny. Okay, and then we have Madame Blummer's Egg Saver. Value 48 eggs for 25 cents in the milk bottle label. Aurora Creamery. Morning Glory seed packets. And these are all a nice size. So this will make really quick decorating in that album. So there's those. So that's a lot of fun. So let me move those to the side. I'm going to scooch them over. The other one will be real quick to show. This is the layered chipboard. So if you want something a little thicker, same same as this over here, but you've got your layers. So you have your squeeze the day with the lemons. And of course, this truck, simple things. Isn't that cute? It looks like a ribbon behind it, and it's loaded with flowers. These are the days. We got the stars. Those are raised up. So sweet with the butterfly, and then the doily with the butterfly and the bucket of flowers. So that's the layered chipboard. So like I said, this is what I will be working with. There are other elements on this particular collection that you might want to look at, because you might want to add something like that. I haven't looked at it yet to see if there's rub-ons, but different types of elements, see what's still available, and I will link the overall collection down below, and then I will link individually each of these items that I received in my design team package, and I can't wait to get started. So like I said, not this coming week, but I'll hope to really get into it the following week, and then I'll get a video up for you with the walkthrough of the album, and then I'll do the tutorial. I'll show you how to make this base here. It is a 7x9. I'm really excited how it's going to turn out. I think you'll enjoy making that. It has the L hinge with an extra space or gusset for the pages to lay flat. Actually, I'll give you a tip. This is one page with lots of flips and flaps that makes it look like several pages. Super easy to make. I think you'll have a lot of fun. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on this tutorial. Click the bell. That way you'll get a notification. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com for your supplies. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.
Golden haze, lovers stroll, lost in a honey daze, their hearts entwined like